Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of D2C Winning Mantra. Today we have the national winners of Airtel iCreate 2020 with us from IIM Bangalore. Hi, team. Thank you so much for joining us today. How are you all doing now that you're back in campus?
We are doing great, and enjoying the last bits of campus life we can have.
Yeah,
So,
very happy to be back on campus after a very long time.
absolutely. Did you guys get time to enjoy and celebrate your big win of Airtel iCreate?
A little, we can't go out of campus, so just did whatever we could inside.
Okay, let us talk about the basics of the competition that is Airtel iCreate. What was the competition all about and how were the rounds structured?
So I think there were three rounds as far as I remember. The first one was a preliminary one slide or two slide
Two
submission.
slides.
Yeah, two-slide submission of the basic outline of our solution with along with a document, and then we had a second submission which was a 10-slide submission, and the final presentation was the national final round. So
Just to add, in terms of the competition, we also had three different cases, wherein one was related to increasing the marketing revenue. The second was related to home surveillance cameras that the company is looking to venture into, and third was more related to services in terms of software. So, in terms of choosing the case, we went ahead with the home surveillance cameras because that was sort of more familiar to us in terms of the other two cases. So that is how we went about choosing the case.
Okay, that sounds perfect. But now that you talk of the cases that you mentioned, how did you solve those cases and what was the entire process? Walk us through the process. And also, what were the important aspects of creating a presentation?
So first of all, I think the process, the problem statement given to us was to design probably an end-to-end strategy for Airtel to enter into home surveillance market. So what we started off was since there is no major player in the market, we straight away went to consumers to understand their pain points as to what are their requirements, what are they looking for in maybe in home surveillance cameras across segments. For example, a metropolitan consumer would have a different requirement compared to tier one city. So that is how we went about starting solving the case, and then our sort of solutions and the features that we wanted to have in our cameras flowed from there. So that was our strategy. And as far as presentations are concerned, so we had distinct strategies across the three stages. So since the first stage just had a two-slide submission, we wanted to give out whatever we originally thought of. So in those two slides, we essentially clubbed everything, whatever we can think of, and we tried to present as many ideas, as many new thought process that we went through while designing the solution. I think for the second submission, which was 10-slide submission, we kind of went into more depth of every proposed idea that we went. And when we got selected for the final round, our final strategy was to present to the judges, as much beautifully in those 10 minutes, because we had to do a lot of things. We had to tell them our ideas. We had to tell them how we reach the solutions, the consumer journeys. We did a few interviews, so we had to present them as well. So final presentation was a bit tricky, in which we had to do it everything in those under 10 minutes. So yeah.
And just to add on to that, the mentoring session we had with the leader from Airtel, Mr. Deepank. So he helped us, channel our presentation and helped us to identify the things to focus on, the things to leave out of the presentation, the kind of questions we can expect and all. So that was really helpful for us.
That sounds like a great journey, and I'm sure that you guys must have learned a lot on the way as well. But I've also heard a lot many times that when you're working on such case solutions, there are a few obstacles that you face on the way. What were the challenges that your team faced?
so one of them being because like this is an entirely new market, finding the correct customers to interview was the first pain point that we faced. So how to go about it, and there were no competitors who we could draw ideas on the product for, like for the entire solution for. So how to structure it and what features to include, what not to include, was kind of an initial challenge that we faced.
Moving on, let us now talk about the judges and the jury in short. So, what were the questions that they asked, and what were they expecting of the participants?
So I think like all their questions were like it reflected that they actually wanted to launch the product, and like it was it went around how to actually what to include, and how to go about launching the product, what services to provide to the customer. So it all gave a feel that they were actually looking forward to incubate the product, or maybe probably do a launch soon.
And the second aspect they were testing was how confident are we about our solution. So this, they just kept pestering us, ki, is this the right thing to do, or will that be better for the product? So like we had to stick with our solution and defend ourselves.
So another thing that judges were concerned is about you. So in Indian market, you can launch a product, but the purchasing power of middle class Indian people is not that great. So they were also concerned about how you would price the product, or how would you would deliver it to the consumers. So though it was a home surveillance camera, we kind of designed. It was a pay one time and then a subscription plan based camera. So where you would get many other services along with the camera in terms of analytics and everything, and you would pay the subscription fee just like you do it on maybe Airtel D2H or Airtel fiber or maybe Airtel phone. So that kind of blended with the Airtel existing products well. So that is one thing which we felt judges were really keen on asking, like what would you like, how much would you price this product for?
Now that we talk of corporate competitions and especially at iCreate, how do you think it helped you in your journey of being an MBA student?
So I think all like the corporate competitions, the important part, and especially Airtel iCreate, since we did put in so much effort. The most important learning I felt it that as an MBA student, I have to look the product end to end. So I don't think you get such an opportunity maybe in academic courses or anywhere else. So that is the most important learning that I take, or maybe our team takes out of this competition, because you were just given a problem statement that you want to launch this product, and you had to do your research right from the primary consumers to the existing small players in the market, then designing your product, then designing what would be the marketing strategies in terms of promotion, how do you want to reach your consumer, how do you want to use your existing capabilities in terms of Airtel Thanks app, Airtel's Airtel Girl, which is quite famous, so you can leverage that for advertisements, and then the final pricing that you would want to do. So it was, so generally, as when you do a corporate job or something, you would essentially be looking at one aspect of the solution, but during these corporate competition you tend to look at the overall picture, and hence it kind of improves your overall understanding of the market as well. So in that way, these competitions, and especially Airtel iCreate, was really helpful, and will stay with us for a long time.
I believe that too, because once you win a competition, it most definitely is going to stay with you your entire life. Okay, now that we are moving towards an end of this discussion, what is that one piece of advice that you would like to share with the future participants of Airtel iCreate?
Like I would recommend, you start with the basics, like talk to people, do some basic primary research before you start thinking about the solution. Because many a time what we think may not be the actual case. We may be biased towards something. Yeah, identifying the needs of the customer would be essential, in devising the solution.
And also, like always, making the solution end to end is a recommendation.
I think another important aspect is I think obviously when you design a strategy, you give the product features and how your product looks like. But one of the important thing, and I think that is where I think our mentor helped quite a lot, was the pricing of the product and how much money are you expecting to make. Because as a corporate company, Airtel would want projects which can make them enough money. So initially, I don't think we incorporate, our financial model was that strong, but after our interaction with the mentor, we kind of worked a lot on it a lot in the last, a week or so. So that was really helpful. And if teams in future could do it beforehand, that could be really useful, because that is what Airtel, in general, corporates look out for, and we kind of found out in this competition as well.
That is some really great piece of advice. Thank you so much, team, for being with us today and for sharing your valuable time with us. Thank you so much. I hope this helps future participants in participating in more corporate competitions and more numbers turn up in the next year's Airtel iCreate. We wish you the best and thank you so much.